Say hello.
Hello.
We're off to school, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
We've got Family Friday today, so Mummy's going to come in and you can show me all of your work, yeah?
Yes, and my shoe feels weird.
It feels weird, does it?
Inside.
Do we need to sort it out? Are you looking forward to school?
Yes.
So, once again, back on the school run. You'll see a lot of this throughout October, I believe, because this is like my every single day life. School run, school run, school run, school run, school run. So, yeah, there'll be plenty of this. Hello, everybody! Say hello.
Morning.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, Kirk is off work again. Not so good on the bank balance, but it is fun for the family. So we are going out. I can't remember where we're going. Where are we going?
Dunelm Mills.
We're going to go to Dunelm Mill and IKEA because we are fairly confident that we will be moving very, very soon. And so therefore we have a few bits that we need to get. So we're going to go and have a little shop around and look at house stuff. Oh, I love looking at house stuff. So yeah, so come along with us and let's see what we can find.
That's a little chair for little people.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh, those are really cute. Oh.
This is 70 quid though. It's expensive for a beanbag. I didn't realise beanbags are so expensive.
It really suits you though. Loving the pink and the blue, which are the sorts of colours that we're going to have in our lounge. And yeah, so we need to remember to come back here for those. Oops,
Paige.
someone just punched themselves in the face. I want them, they're £40 each, which is quite a lot for like just a little beanbag chair type thing.
You punch yourself in the face.
Mm-hmm. Get naked and go wild. The soap dispensers there as well, look.
It's IKEA.
It's IKEA. What's that?
The Christmas tree roll!
Christmas has arrived at IKEA. We're back at IKEA. Oh, is it a tea set? Oh, have you got a little tiny cup of tea? Look, you need a little saucer for your cup of tea. Oh, look at that. And look. Is that you put your milk in? Good girl. And then have a little sip of your tea. Oh, lovely. Now get down from there. See, some people say you can't come to IKEA without having the meatballs, but I say you can't come to IKEA without having the hot dogs.
Or the veggie roll.
And apparently Kirk's trying a veggie hot dog.
And it's interesting. You don't like it?
You don't like it? Do you want me to take the lid off for you? What is the purple stuff?
Cabbage.
Cabbage? Did you ask for cabbage in your veggie hot dog? Or is that just something that comes with it?
It comes with it. Pickled cabbage.
Wow. That is a very purple hot dog.
Good.
Cool. I don't think it looks very appealing.
Tastes nice.
So I feel like I'm spending a lot of time in the car at the moment, which is probably because I haven't had one for weeks, so I'm making up for it. But I've just fed this little one, and we've just booked an appointment to go and see our new house quickly, just because we're nearing completion now, and we've been told that as you get near completion, it's wise to go and just have a quick look at the house just to make sure that everything is as you expect it to be and that there isn't any like massive changes that you just weren't anticipating. So Kirk's gone to pick Mason up from school, and then we're gonna whiz home and all go to the toilet and then we're gonna go and see our new house for a little while. So I'm excited. I'm also a bit nervous because I'm thinking, what if I don't like it anymore? Like, what if we've got this far into buying it and I actually don't like it anymore? But we'll see. So we're going to go and do that. And I don't know how much I'll be able to film because there will be the estate agent there. But if I can, I'll try. There it is. That'll be our new front door. New house. Yeah. It won't be our new front door for long because we'll be replacing it, but that will be our new house very soon.
Sit up, Mum.
Wow.
Should we sit up?
This room definitely needs a repaint.
Mummy, look.
Paige, this is yours and
Line.
Line.
3, 4, 5.
Up you go then. Quickly, let's go up and get Macy. Turn around. Oh, no. So up you go then. We're home now, and I'm gonna spend a little bit of time just like cleaning up and stuff because I didn't really get much of a chance to do that this morning, and the children are all quite tired. So and Kirk's very, very tired because he has been running on very little sleep today. So they're all just resting, and I'm going to just get a few bits done. But I thought I would just really quickly show you what I got in IKEA. So let me just show you that. This grow bag, 0 to 6 months for Lila, which really basic grow bag, but I'm going to start using them on her now. And it was £7 and it was reduced to £4.50 in the bargain corner. And do you know what? I literally just said to Kirk, I feel like we've bought this exact same one for Paige in the past. I don't know where it is, if we did buy it or whether I gave it away, but I vaguely recall having this exact same grow bag. A brand new step for the kids in the bathroom because our other one broke. I don't know how much that was, but we got that. I got Mason an empty plain cardboard box because it was only £1, and he specifically asked me yesterday after school for a plain cardboard box with a lid because he wants to decorate it, and then he wants to, I think, go into the woods and collect things and make like a nature box. So I got him that. And then I also picked up a set of 3 little chopping boards because my chopping boards have gotten a little bit manky, so I'm just going to chuck them away and use these ones. A pack, oh, these are so good from IKEA. So it's like chocolate filled biscuits and also jam filled biscuits. They're really, really nice. And I think the last thing that we got is this little set of paintbrushes that we got for Mason for when he does his artwork, because he really loves doing artwork and his paintbrushes are completely rubbish, plasticky bleh things. So these are just nice, decent paintbrushes for him to use when he does his artwork. And that's it. Box empty. Hi guys, sorry it is now the next day. I did not get a chance to actually come back on. I was trying to get the girls to sleep last night and I wound up falling asleep with them. So that was kind of me done, and then I woke up at midnight and was like, oops, better actually like get into bed properly, get my pyjamas on and stuff. So yeah, so I thought I would just pop back on this morning and say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like on my channel, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Today.